Chapter 8, Today's Students. This chapter opens with a classroom case that illustrates how important it is for teachers to be aware of diversity in the classroom. Teachers must communicate effectively with students from diverse populations and cultural backgrounds. It is important that teachers understand how diversity is embedded in the culture of the United States, along with its implications to teaching. Within this diversity, teachers are expected to provide each child with equal educational opportunities, irrespective of his or her gender, race, social class, ethnicity, or setting, rural, urban, or suburban. Although the term minority technically refers to any group numbering less than half of the total population, in certain parts of the country, minorities are actually the majority. Statistics show that the percentage of ethnic minorities in the United States has been growing steadily, and that currently immigrants account for 1 in 8 U.S. residents, within 1.5 and 1 million immigrants arriving each year. The Census Bureau estimates that by 2025, half of the U.S. youth will be white and half minority, and by 2050, no single group will be a minority among adults. This translates to a rapidly increasing number of students from diverse cultural backgrounds in most schools in the United States. The growing number of ethnic minorities and immigrant children has necessitated rethinking of the concept of equal educational opportunities. Bilingual education programs and multicultural education approaches to teaching have been adopted in an effort to provide all children with a quality education. This has been a challenge. Along with minority, racial, and ethnic groups, others who have traditionally lacked power in the U.S. public life are immigrants, the poor, children, the elderly, non-English speakers, members of minority religions, women, and people who are gay, lesbian, bisexual, or transgender. Groups that have been most frequently discriminated against in terms of the quality of education they have received include African Americans, Spanish-speaking Americans, Native Americans, Asian Americans, exceptional learners, people with disabilities, and females. There is mounting evidence that many students from these groups continue to receive a substandard education that does not meet their needs or help empower them to participate fully and equally in life in the United States.